Hey, it's Stacy. Today I have something really fun, limited edition and summery to share with you. And it's Arbonne's new Staycation mini stick set. And I love this because I love limited edition things. I love having something that, you know, is special and seasonal and really fun. And this really fits the bill. So when you're on vacation, you don't usually want to wear a ton of makeup and you're usually wanting to travel light, particularly if it's a beachy kind of vacation. And Arbonne, of course, hits the nail on the head. This adorable little bag can hold these 4 little sticks. I'm going to show you how to use them. And you can carry them on. They're airline safe. They're well within the limit. Or throw them in your bag or throw them in your purse or whatever. So I'm going to show you how to use these 4 sticks. And they're all tints. And that just means that it doesn't deposit a ton of color. It just gives, you know, your face a little glow. They do different things. They're 4 different colors. And this one, I hope you can see, is sort of like to me, it looks like a rose gold, kind of peachy with some shimmer. And we're gonna try this on the lips. So I don't have any makeup on today other than a little bit of CC cream and some very light eyeshadow and mascara and no lipstick and no bronze or anything like that. So I'm gonna put this on the lips. And oh wow. Doesn't have a smell. Super creamy though. Feels really great. And see how it has like a little shimmer? I'm gonna see if I can show you a swatch on my hand. What this looks like. Can you see? It's a glow. And from what I'm seeing, it's sort of a duotone, which means it has a shift. And so you can see that it has a shift. It's actually picking up some of the peach in my shirt. And you can see some of the peach, and then it shifts right here. It's really cool. This will also be used as a highlighter, I'm thinking. So let's get back to that. All right, the next one I'm gonna try. This looks like a bronzer. It looks like it's a matte bronzer. And again, it's got that same creaminess. I'm just gonna kind of put it here. Now with cream products, you want to just use your fingers and have them melt into the skin. So that's how easy this is. And again, dropped my cap, but that's okay. I'm going to swatch this. Okay, you can see right here. Do you see the bronze? Again, sheer. You can see on my face that it's warmed up, but it's not totally dark, which I like. The next one looks like a berry kind of thing, but remember, these things are tints. It's not gonna go on super, you know, opaque. It's gonna be sheer. So I'm gonna use it a little bit for here. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend it in just to add some rosiness to my cheeks. This feels really nice and creamy too. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my lips to kind of change the color. And let's swatch this. This is, I don't think it's gonna read on the camera, but you see it's right here? It's very sheer, right? Love it, okay. And last but not least, this looks like a gold shimmer. And I'm gonna put it here, like a highlight. So I put the bronze, the little cheek tint, and now I'm putting the little gold highlighter. Oh, I see that. I see you, highlighter. There it is. Okay, great. Now let me swatch it. I'm gonna put it next to the other one. You can totally see that. There's the gold highlighter right here. That's the duotone one. That's the gold. So you can have fun. You know, you could totally, if you wanted to be, you know, kind of funky, you could put some duotone on your cheek. But I love it. How quick was that? Totally, these 4 sticks come together in a set. Aren't they great? There's lots of different variations. And you know, they're eye safe too. If you wanted to put them on your eyes, you can certainly do that. I wouldn't do that only because I have a problem with creasing, with eyeshadow creasing, so I have to stick to powders. But I love the way the cream wears on the face. It wears a lot longer. These are not sticky at all. They feel like they're almost drying down to a powder. And you can see in the light, the shimmer, I've added some warmth. And how cute is this bag? So get yours for your vacation or your staycation, and limited quantities. So let me know if you'd like to try it. I love them. Have a great day. Have a beautiful day. Take care.